Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going over how to change out your high beam and your low beam on your vehicle. Today I'm going to be demonstrating on this 2014 Ford Escape, but the general principle should apply to pretty much every vehicle. Now, this may seem like a simple task. However, there are a lot of people who either don't know where to look to change out the bulbs, they feel like they're going to break something, or they just don't know what kind of bulb they need, and we're going to go over all that today in this video. So to start out with, first you want to find out where your headlights are located. In this case, the back of the headlights are open here on this Ford Escape with these two little like rubber circles right here, and the same on the other side. Now this is the high beam and this is the low beam. Most vehicles have a little rubber piece like this, or like in the case of my Mercedes SLK, it has a little plastic piece that you just unclip and pull straight off. Now that we got that small rubber piece off, or just your cover in your car, you'll normally see like this little plug right here, and then some wires. Over here, you can see where it's plugged into, and that is your high beam. Now, most vehicles, you can either twist it off, you just turn it counterclockwise in this case, and it should just pull straight out, and to put it back in, you place it in and turn it clockwise. Now in my SLK, it has just a small clip. You just push it in and pull it to the side and it comes off. Most vehicles though are this counterclockwise unscrew. Okay, now we've got the bulb out. Now at first glance, it looks like this right here is actually what comes apart, but this is not actually the entire bulb. The clip is actually down here at this space, and it is actually an L-shaped plug. So the bulb plus this base right here is actually all one piece. So don't try and unplug it from here, otherwise you're just ripping it apart. You unplug it from here by pulling this clip back, and then you would place your new bulb in there and then place it in and screw it in. Now, some people will take the bulb out and actually read what size bulb it is, but a lot of times you can just skip over that by going to Amazon or going to your local Advance Auto Parts, O'Reilly's, all that kind of thing, and they'll be able to look up the exact bulb you need and make sure that you have the right thing. Another thing to remember is that a lot of people assume that the high beam and low beam bulb are the exact same size. That's not always the case, so make sure you get the right size for both. After you've replaced the bulb and put the cover back on, you want to go into your vehicle, make sure that your high beams and your low beams work properly on both sides, and you're done. I know this was a very simple and straightforward video. However, I believe that everybody should be able to know how to do basic car maintenance on their vehicle, and this applies as well. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And if you're interested, watch my last video about how to make your headlights look new again. Thanks for watching.